Guys, welcome back to RV channel once again with Rashu. Today we have a very good nice barbecue plan with our colleagues working with us, and it's 2nd December, so everyone is out. And today have our menu. You can see it. We have chicken, we have vegetables here. You can see we have a full mutton thigh, and some of the chickens for barbecue, and some we are going to place them in the foil. Yeah, we have the spices which I've mixed it already. You can see homemade, and we are going to place them. Guys, as you can see, we are putting the spices in the chicken. Marinate and mix them nicely. I'm gonna keep it a little bit spicy. Guys, I'm going to mix this chicken. We've placed everything. This one we're going to make it different than the others. It will go. Have yogurt with green chili mixed with this, and we are going to place them. Garlic is there. This one, 2 chickens which is going on foil, and I'm going to place them also with the same recipe, and it will taste different than the others. And you have to place some olive oils at the end once you're putting them in the foil. So we'll keep them for 2 to 3 minutes. Close. Oils, guys, because I don't want it get sticky with each other or get sticky in the foil too much. Just little bit here also. That's it. I'm gonna placing everything over here. So let's keep some carrots. It will be cooked nicely. Some potatoes. And we are going to close them and keep it for 30 minutes one side, 30 minutes one side. Some garlic. Guys, we are just closing them into 3 layers of foil. One layer. We're going to put one more here. This is the second layer. Close it. I'm going to place one more layer. You have to close it nicely. So this is the final layer. 3 thick foils. Guys, we are placing vegetables in the foil, and it's a very good recipe even. Some brinjals are here, cauliflowers, and some carrots are here. I'm going to place them and put little olive oils to be steamed, and it's going to become very amazing. There you go. These are the spices. I'm going to place some little bit olive oil to be steamed. That's it. I think little bit butter and for the better taste, and it smells good even. We're going to close it. Ketchup, guys, for the chicken. You can see. I'm gonna place little bit yogurt in this. Not much. Just 3 spoon and little bit oil, because it won't get sticky. We'll mix them nicely. Little bit a flavor of color, just for the better look. Guys, this is our final. I'm gonna prepare them. I'm using the achar ghost masala for Shan, which is very nice and it tastes good, yeah. And I'm gonna place little bit achar on it for the better taste. I'm going to mix them and put them in the foil. We have achar on it, and I'm going to place it on it and mix it together with it. It will give you amazing taste with this mustard. Yellow. Done. Guys, this is the final, and we have done with everything. We're going to place this spices in it, and we're going to close the foil and run for the barbecue. We have the garlic here, and it's ready. A bit of oil, not to get sticky, and I have this one also. I'm going to cover it. It will stay inside, fully covered, and the pickles are here. Thank you guys, and wait for the barbecue. Guys, we are moving on our way for the barbecue. This Alwarka area behind Mirdiv City Center. Let's see what comes up, yeah? Guys, we have reached at our spot. Sakib is here. We're working together, and
love you guys.
today we are there for the barbecue,
Please,
inshallah. And I'm going to show you the entire view later, yeah? This is our guys who are sitting over here, guys. Everyone is here, and we have everything prepared, and the views, and mashallah, everyone is here. The cars are here. We have prepared everything. The guys are sitting, and we have kept the fire. Ayub is here. Ayub, say hi. Ayub is here. Idris is here. Everyone is here. Barbecue. Charcoals. Out today with Ayub is here and our boy Wakas is here. Ayub also have a YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe his channel. I'm going to share his link in the YouTube, yeah?
Share, like, subscribe, guys.
And forward, yeah?
Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Saqib is here. Hi Saqib. What you cooking, brother?
I'm cooking some desi stuff, man.
Chickens are here and well prepared and marinated. Thus we have done our barbecue and we are moving back everyone to the home. It's almost night 2:30. And thank you guys for subscribing my channel and watching my channel and following my channel. Thank you so much guys.